In this video, I'll show you how to convert your Lovable site into an app and publish it on the Apple App Store. First, open your project in Lovable. Make sure your site is published before you do anything else. If it is not published yet, click the Publish button in the top right corner. Once it is live, copy your site URL. Now, open Google and search for Convert Website to Mobile App. You will find several third-party tools that can do this. For this video, we are going to use App My Site. Click on it and then click Start for free. Once the page loads, click the plus button to create a new app. Type in your app name and under App Type, select Web to App. This option converts your website into a mobile app. Paste your Lovable site URL into the link field and click Create App. Now choose a color scheme for your app and wait for your dashboard to load. Click on Preview on the left side to see how your app looks on both Android and iPhone. When you are ready to build, click Download on the left side and then select Build App under iOS app. Keep in mind, you will need to upgrade your App My Site plan to build the iOS version. The Android version can be built for free. Once your iOS app is built, click Publish and then choose Apple App Store. This will take you to developer.apple.com. Sign into your Apple developer account, upload your app file, and submit it for review. Once Apple approves it, your app will be live on the App Store. That is how you do it.